Hello, everybody. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you all so much for joining us once again. Thank you for joining us from wherever you are tuning in from. We are back again in continuation of the 30 Days AI Challenge, and we are on day 9. We still have some more days to go, but we got this. My name is Beatrice. I'm the community manager at Hills and Tech. And I am so glad you all are here with us today. Thank you. Hi, Annie. Thank you. Welcome. Some familiar names I can see. Well done. Thank you all for sticking with us from day 1 up until today, day 9. We have covered so many AI tools such as Loom, Vibe Coding, and yesterday Canva, which was amazing. And today we're back again with CapCut. So before I introduce our speaker for today, it's quite an interesting one and very special because she reached out to me because she was so excited for the challenge to with our drive of impacting as many women as possible and people as possible with learning AI tools every single day for 30 minutes. And she reached out to me saying she wants to impact her knowledge on CapCut. So let me introduce our speaker for today, Happy Lima. Welcome. And over to you now.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I am excited to be here and to share with you my knowledge of CapCut, my little knowledge of CapCut. I many of you, some of you, you have heard of CapCut. So today we would be learning how to use CapCut to edit simple videos. So by the end of this class, right? By the end of this class,
Uh-oh. Hi, Happy. Hello, Happy. Can you hear
be
me?
able to use CapCut to edit simple videos. We are on social media. We see Hello, can you hear me?
Hi, Happy. Yes, I can hear you now. The network is a bit shaky.
Yes. I Okay. So as I was saying, I said before the end of this class, we should be able to use CapCut to the practical session. We want us to look in CapCut. We should be able to know the features we will be using for our editing. So one of the feature we have in CapCut is the split features. Just as the name implies, we use it to split our videos to cut out unwanted parts. We split and then we cut. Second, we would look at the trimming. After you've split and then you cut from the part you don't want, and then you trim from hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so you trim from where you don't want, that is removing the unwanted footages, right? So that is what the trim feature is for. The next feature we will be looking at is the text, which allow us to apply text on our videos. Sometimes you will be watching videos and then text will pop up. There is not magic. They are they intentionally put it there. They intentionally texted it. So we would also text is also one of the features in CapCut for beginners. And going to the next, we will look at audio. Audio, we, sometimes you be watching videos and then you'll be hearing audio at the background, and it makes it so engaging. It makes the video interesting, right? This feature is used to add background music or background sound. Sometimes it may be sound, sometimes it may be music, but then it is used uh to add a little or no noise to the background. Please confirm if you can still hear me. Network is, I can see that it's kind of shaking.
Yes, I can still hear you. Are you going to share your screen now or after the explanation?
Okay, let me see if I could be doing this and sharing the
Okay,
screen too.
thank you.
Yeah. Yes. So I was talking about audio. Audio as one of the one of the future in CapCut. Let me please excuse me. Can you see my screen?
Okay, yes, I can see your screen. Please let us know in the comment section if you can see the screen.
So one of the thing you should know with adding audio adding audios in your videos is that once audio is not the main thing you want the audience to hear, it should be a little, so that the noise will not overshadow what the audience are supposed to hear. Because one of the things we should know is that poor camera or poor video quality can be overlooked, but sound can never be overlooked. Once your audience cannot hear or understand what you're trying to communicate, they'll scroll and pass, and it happens to everyone, even me myself. Once I see something I cannot hear, I don't understand what the person, I'll just scroll. But you see, sometimes you will be hearing it, but then the video quality is not as it should, but then you are interested in what the person wants to say, you will stay back to listen. So like I say, always reduce the music volume so it doesn't overpower your videos. And moving on to next, we would also look at how to export our videos. We look at split, we look at trim, how to split our videos, how to, that's after exporting them from our gallery. After exporting them, we trim, we split, we trim out the unwanted footages. We also add text to give it a catchy, to make our audience engage, to keep them engaged. And also we would look at how to export our videos. So
Okay,
to export our
okay,
videos, it's simply for us to save our video into our gallery for our use, right? And one thing you should know is that always save your video as in 1080p, so it maintains the quality of the video. let's create a system in your phone. You go to Play Store. Please confirm if you can hear me, please.
Oh, hi, Happy. Can you hear me? Okay. Could you repeat the last thing you
Yes, I can
said
hear you.
about, yes, about creating the account, the CapCut account?
All right. Um. Okay. So I said if you don't have CapCut installed in your phone or your system, so you simply go to, if you're using an Android phone, you go to Play Store, search for CapCut and CapCut. Let me, hope you all can see my screen.
Yes, we can see your screen, but can you zoom in a little bit?
All right, please give me. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can see your
Hello.
screen.
All right. So if you can see my screen, this is CapCut, where the cursor is. This is CapCut.
Okay, just to confirm, I can see the CapCut app. That's what I can see on your screen. Is that what you're sharing?
Oh yes, yes. I
Okay.
try to show them. All right. Can you see now? Or I still have to zoom?
Uh, can you zoom a little bit more? I can see the CapCut application on your laptop. I can see create project,
Okay.
AI video maker, record screen. Yes, and I
All
can
right.
see
How
the
about
cursor.
now? Can you see?
Yes, I can see it. Yes.
Is it okay now? Or I will have to zoom again?
Okay, okay, I can see a comment saying to please zoom a little bit more.
Did you get that? Okay. How about now? How about now, please?
Okay, yes, I can see I can see it clearly.
Sorry. Sorry. How about now?
Yes, I can see your screen. You can proceed.
All right. So to create projects, you simply go to the plus sign. It is already written here, create. So you click the create, and then you wait for it to load. Yeah, you wait for it to load. All right. Please confirm if you can see my screen. Hello.
Yes, I can see your screen. Yes, I can see your screen.
Hello.
Yes, I can see your screen. Can you hear me?
Hello, Miss Beatrice.
Yes, yes, we can. I
Oh,
can see your screen. Oh, the network. Hi, Papi. Can you hear me?
can you still hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, and I can see your screen. Yes. Hello, everyone. Hi, everyone. Please give us a moment. Our facilitator is experiencing some network challenges. So, okay, while she's changing her network, while she's changing her network provider, hi, Bumi. You can leave your questions in the comment section. You can leave your questions in the comment section and we'll attend to them. So please go ahead and drop your questions and your comments. Okay. Okay. Yes. Once again, this is day 9 of the 30 days AI challenge. And for those of you who may not already have CapCut, like our facilitator was trying to say earlier, you can, if you use an Android phone, you can download CapCut application from Play Store. All you need to do is just go into Play Store and search for CapCut, and you will see that. And if you're also using an iOS device, you can also see that in the App Store as well. And for the if laptops, you can also download CapCut for your laptop. You can also download CapCut for your laptop. Please. Oh, sorry, my voice is inaudible. Oh, so sorry about that. So sorry about that. Can everybody hear me now? Today the network has just been so bad. Can you hear me now? Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay. Yes, you can. Okay. So I was trying to say how you can download CapCut so you can be able to use it on your mobile phone and on your laptop and on your laptop as well. Let me try to also share my screen. Okay. So if you okay, please let me know if you can see my screen. Okay. Okay, so this is what CapCut looks like. If you go to CapCut.com and you click on download, you'll be able to, yes, so you see downloading. Okay. Okay. And this shows that CapCut is downloading and also installing on a PC. So like the facilitator was talking about the features that you can use with for CapCut include trimming, cutting, and merging clips easily. You can also add filters, transitions, text, and stickers. You can use built-in music, or you can also import your own music, and you can also use tools like green screen and stop motion, which works on both mobile and desktop. So while we're checking if it has, okay, is still installing. And similarly, you can also do the same on your mobile phone. We'll give we'll give that a minute. And for anybody who missed it, you can just type CapCut, and it will show up. And this is the Google Play link that you can use to download it on your phone. Yeah. So while that is still downloading, I'll just give a few announcements as regards the 30 Days AI Challenge. Was so sorry for the breaking transmission today. The network has just been really terrible all round. So while that's still downloading, I'll just give some updates. Like we mentioned earlier at the beginning of the challenge, you will be getting a badge of completion at the end of the challenge after the 30 days to show that you did not just come and watch the videos, but you actually learned, you practiced, and you put in the work. And you can put this up on your LinkedIn and share to others what you've been doing, which also helps boost your profile and your resume. So later today, we will actually be posting an announcement on the announcements channel on the WhatsApp group, which goes in line with the badge of completion. Now, to qualify to get this badge of completion at the end of the 30 days, you need to have taken at least one quiz. Yes, I know I said quiz. We will be introducing quizzes for it's going to be weekly quizzes. So at the end of the day, you would most likely have four quizzes, one per week. So for last week, we will be dropping or we'll be releasing the quiz for last week, which covers the tools that we learned during the week. Don't worry, it's very easy. Uh, it's just for you to check and see that, oh, this is the progress I have made. Oh, I know this, and that's really all it is. So, um, yes, we'll be making that announcement later this evening on the WhatsApp channel. So I'm encouraging everyone to continue to um, keep up with the 30 days AI challenge, practice daily, practice, practice, practice. Are there any people in the comment section who have things that they have built so far that you can talk about and share? And you can also share that on the general group in the discussion. We can also discuss it. Earlier last week, several people who joined our vibe coding class made amazing websites where we did the jewelry store website. Some other people also created amazing things and they were able to share it on the group. So I encourage everybody to please go ahead and continue to share, share, share. Okay. Oh, one moment, please. No. Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you for that. Okay. Okay. Oh, please let me know if you can still hear me. Please let me know if you can still hear me. Okay. 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 Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that. Okay. And in addition to the announcement we're going to make, we have some more tools coming up towards the end of for the rest of the week and for the upcoming days. We have tools like HeyGen and Confluence. I know a lot of us might not have had any experience or even heard about these tools, but we can definitely learn so much from them. We can also learn so much from them, and we'll be sure to make the announcements way ahead of time. And for tomorrow's session, it would be also 5 p.m. Okay. 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 Hello there. Hello, Rejoice. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Okay, hi everyone.
Okay, hi, welcome. Thank you so much
Yeah,
for joining us.
thank you. Hello everyone. Today we would actually, I'll briefly run us through how to edit with CapCut. Unfortunately, our facilitator, due to network challenges, which unfortunately is prevalent in our, should I say, ecosystem Nigeria, has not been able to join. We'll just run through how you can use CapCut on a basic level, at least with the minimum you can do with CapCut, and then you can take it up from there. So I would go through. I will be sharing my screen so that you will see what it can be like. Okay. So can you confirm you can see my screen? Uh, please confirm you can see my screen. In the comment section, I see that we have people who have been consistent. Okay, JB Ajul, I think that's the pronunciation. Forgive me if I didn't pronounce it correctly. Cynthia Ben, you've been so consistent. We see you. Thank you. And there will be surely we will recognize our consistent participants who engage in the comment section. So if you don't engage, please, this is your hint to start engaging. And then Olabende. Thank you. Buni, please forgive me. Buni Maka, thank you for also joining. All right, so you all can see my screen. So this is CapCut and media. This media. When we talk about media here is referring to what you can do and how you can basically what you have in your phone that can be edited. Then let's look at the templates. To get inspiration, sometimes some of these applications you almost need to have inspiration to be able to use them and use them, to an extent. Sometimes you want to create something. Let's say it's someone's you want to wish happy new year, but you don't exactly have the best creativity to start, doing it yourself. So you can actually leverage these templates. These templates help you achieve so much. Then let's see elements. Elements are like zoom in effects. Sometimes you've seen a video where you're watching a video and then at some point in the video the person speaking almost looks like they're coming close to you and then they're going back. All those things are effects that you can actually do. So I think everyone in 21st century now should be able to make use of CapCut. You should be able to wish someone your loved one happy birthday and compile their pictures. It's not that difficult. You can actually do it. It may not be perfect, but you can start with something. So let's explore a template before we now create a totally new video. Then we'll practice exporting when you're done. So these are audios. You can actually sometimes use random sounds. Sometimes you get search intentionally. This is sound effects, okay, laugh, mechanical, magic, whatever. But basically, CapCut allows you to explore creativity to any level you're able to. Now, if you know what transition is, can you put the comments? I'll be very impressed with whoever knows what transition is. Can anybody attempt telling us what transition is? Anybody? What is transition? Have you ever heard of transition? Okay, are you all with me? Great, Cynthia. Then thank you so much. Transition, yes, Emmanuel, light. I see you. Transition is moving from one slide to the other. It's just like let's say if you're building a house, should I say the corridor kind of gives you the transition effect somehow. When you're able to move from one place to the other and not feel disjointed, like where did I jump from? It's not like you're wondering what happened here. So transition helps you literally move into the next frame. Sometimes it's referred to with the word frame, the next frame, or you could call it slide, which is easy, especially if you're a video editor and you have to merge two videos. For example, if how many of us have ever been to a podcast or you've shot a video before? Backstage, you know that you can actually shoot one video 5 times. And then when you're editing it, nobody needs to know you shot it 5 times. What they need to know is that they are watching one video that is saying the same thing and the thought line is coherent. So in doing this, you don't want them to your hand was up in the first video, and then in the next video your hand is on your chin. What's the relationship? When did your hand go from your like this to your chin? So basically this transition kind of helps you. Okay, yeah, it helps you to blend the whole thing. So now returning back to our CapCut screen, we can now see that this their transition effects here. Where is that transition? Yeah, transition effects. So sometimes it helps the person realize that okay, these two now something happened in between, but don't worry about it, just continue from where we were. So you can then see this one they call hypnotic. Okay, well, then horizontal, you just see the effects. This classic. Basically, it helps you move between two moments that are not filters are basically many of us probably use Snapchat. So these filters, you're not strange with the word filters. It kind of gives the effect you want people to see, either in the looks or basically majorly in the looks, what the hue looks like. They call it hue. So then brand kits. For example, you've been consistent with making your own videos. You've been like, for example, this is CapCut's brand kit. If you want to, if you're working for CapCut, you can always come here and take any of form of their designs. Sometimes people have their logo in different renditions, and then this is just a heads up to you as a business person. If you have just one rendition of your logo for everything, that may not be very wise. I'm not pitching deal for designers, but here's the thing: you can actually use make another logo for yourself. Following the class we did yesterday, we learned how to use Canva, and our very intelligent facilitator showed us how to make a logo. So now you shouldn't be spending a lot making a logo. Your creativity is as important as that of a designer, but you can still outsource it anyway. But if you want to do it yourself, you can actually do that. So yesterday during the session, Canva session, you can go back to watch this video and also share with someone. And if you've not subscribed, do well to follow us on our Instagram and subscribe. So she showed us how to make a logo. So now here's my encouragement to you. For videos, you can have your logo in different renditions. You can have one written as CTA with ups, upside down somehow, but it's not inconsistent. But it's just that people are going to see it in this variation on a video and they still know it's you. However, you can find a way around that. So still going back to our Canva, I was just trying to explain these brand kits, how it's not only your only one logo that can be there. Just see what I'm saying. Now this is CapCut and this is also CapCut. But you see the rendition is different. The presentation, let me use what presentation is different. Here it looks like they are is standing out or it's on 3D. This is actually like a 3D, and then this is just normal. This one is black, this one is white. So it can look different. If you want to edit on a black background, this will surely stand out. If you want to edit on a white background, this will surely stand out. So this is a business idea, business enhancement tip I just gave you here. but we're still on CapCut, and I'll be rounding up just shortly. So I think these plugins could refer to additional things you want to add to your videos. So let's explore one template. Anyone in the suggestions, can you give a template? There's New Year here, there's logo review, there's intro, there's outro, travel vlog. Which of these templates can we explore? I would like to have your engagement. J. Badrul, Bon Micah, Cynthia Ben. Which of these should we explore? Any comments? Any comments on which we should explore? Okay, if history, let's see. Thank you, Festus. Yup, let's see. What do we have? So, okay. It's still loading. All right, here we go. And you all can still see the screen, right? All right. So let's work on this history and see what we can do with it. So I'll be zooming in, but you'll be hearing my voice over the video, but I want you to be able to see clearly. Hello, if you're just joining us, this is day 9 of the 30 Days AI Challenge, and you wish to have watched everything so far. If you're just joining us, please rounding up just shortly. Okay, so this is it. So this is the template, and these are points in the video. Let's play it. Okay, so now let's see what we can do. Firstly, I think the sound is very loud. So let's work on this. I don't think I want to remove the sound entirely. Let's zoom in a little. Okay, so what should we do first here? Any suggestions? I'm thinking we should go for the sound. Okay, perhaps let's start with renaming. Who suggested this? I think it was Festus. So let's say Festus Travel. Okay. Edit. I want to add cover. Which cover can I add? Let's see if I can add any. So now, if imagine this is your own cover. Let's say we are using this now. This is should be the So this is our we are uploading. So you can actually add upload from your own end. All right. So edit cover. Okay, cut from beginning of the video. You mean cut out? Okay. Okay, reduce background sound. Yes. Okay, someone agrees with me on that. First agreed with me on that. Then you said cut from the beginning of the video. That's, you mean take it out? Is that what you're asking? Okay, so now we want to use this cover. So do you want to edit this cover, add text or anything? I think it's just fine. Oh man, no, that's too much. That's too much. Let's go back a bit. Let's take it back. Okay, that's too small. This is fine. So it's not a bit blurry. Okay, so that works. So we set cover. All right, so now you see that this is what people get to see when you eventually upload this video. So sometimes you don't exactly need to use a part of this video. You can put an external cover. That's how sometimes in a video you will see somebody looking like they were falling from a story building, and then you're looking for somewhere in the video where they were actually falling. But no, they were not falling actually. It was a moment taken outside of the video that they now used. So we said edit template. So now this this intro, I personally want to get rid of it. This I'll just also want to update you that this version of this is the web version. It's not exactly the same as uh editing with your phone or the app itself. So they're asking for a replacement, but I'm not sure I can grant that now. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, so we need to uh I'm trying to understand what this one is like. But let's work on this anyway. However, this is what I was looking for. Yeah. Okay, so I can. Let's play this video again and see what. Okay, so these are frames. If you can still see here, there is written like 14F, 16F, 18F. So these are time frames and timestamps. Let's see if any. Okay. I'm trying to figure this out. This is surely a different view from what you have on phone and on the app itself. So I'll most likely recommend you get to. Oh no, I don't think I want to do this. But you can actually do that. You can record your audio directly for sound. But I think because this is a template, so I'm struggling to figure this out. So let me try. Okay. Speed. Let's do speed. The speed I think is too much. Can reduce that. Pitch. Nah, it's already loud enough. Mm, no animation. Um, okay. Let's change something. Let's change the sound. I think we should actually change the sound. Okay, then now should we replace this? Alright, let's leave it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this let's try exporting what we've done here so far. Then we'll just start a fresh project. So CapCut, export. I want to mention that when you're exporting, it's good to ensure that you're there because you can start the whole process afresh if you close the screen. So media being saved to space, try again later. I see. Okay, so in that case, we'll just start a fresh project. Mm, okay, I also want to mention that I'm only filling in for the session. So due to I know this CapCut is very important to a lot of us and many of us intentionally joined today. So we're going to have a review of this CapCut session and we'll ensure that you have a better experience of it. We'll ensure that you get to actually learn and explore, have more exploration during the training. So, but this is back to the, should I say, basics of it. So, um, we're going to. I would like us to do it very briefly. We should be rounding up shortly. In fact, I should be rounding up now. So I'll just clearly go around this. So for you to create a freshly new video, just come here, do create, and you can use AI now. They have create AI voiceovers from text or audio, create new. Uh, okay, text to speech, voice changer. This is also amazing. Type a text, enter the text you like to convert into speech. Interesting. Okay, let's say podcast. Okay, so let's type what kind of voice we should use. I think I want us to use a female voice and an opera. Then let's generate. So besides making your besides making your oh, my screen wasn't even showing. Besides making your editing your video, you can actually create a sound from this thing I'm sharing now, from the slide I'm sharing now. I just sent it to make a sound. So let's
Heels and tech in the glass, heels and tech in the glass, heels and tech in the glass, heels and tech in the glass.
okay, so let's edit this a bit more. So Canva is not just a tool for video editing, you can also do sound. It's enhancing really. It's improving greatly. But due to availability, your experience of this may have come in a little, but we guarantee you that anticipate another announcement of this class. We are going to announce this class again to you, and you will have a more interesting experience. But so far, if you followed up until now, please, I'd just like to see your comments. If you've followed up until now and you've learned at least one thing, which I think for me, one fascinating thing that anybody should go with now is the fact that you can actually do is an audio that is not even from you. Just literally type something, text to speech, and then edit it. Edit it, and using I would encourage, like I already said, download the app so you can manage your editing better, and then you can see how to put cover. So all right, thank you, Cynthia Ben. Thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll call it a day for this class, and this class will come to you again in a better experience. Thank you. If you have not joined our WhatsApp channel, please do well too. And the best way you can do that is to go to our Instagram handle. You see the link there, fill it, and it will redirect you. We also have amazing courses and tools that you can learn officially with Heels and Tech. We would love to be your facilitators and be your teacher. So please take a course with Heels and Tech today. Thank you so much, JB, Jule. Thank you, Festus. Thank you so much, Cynthia Ben. Enjoy the rest of your evening. We'll call it a close right now.